What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Perfect Duo 4.0 from Manscaped. Now this set is going to include the Lawn Mower 4.0 and the Weed Whacker as well, and I've been using them for a little while and just wanted to share my thoughts. Before I did that though, I should mention that this kit was actually sent to me by Manscaped a little while ago. Now first we're going to take a look at the Lawn Mower 4.0. This is a waterproof electric trimmer specifically designed for below the waist grooming. It does have a ceramic blade with SkinSafe technology, so you don't really have to worry about any nicks or cuts. Plus it's cordless and comes with a wireless charging dock, which is super convenient. Now I do really like the adjustable trimming guards that come with the trimmer itself. You can really choose the perfect length for your hair, and you can do a lot of customization with this trimmer. I also do like that it is waterproof. However, I do find that when you are using it in water, you're not going to get the most optimal results. Now, as I said, I've been using this for a few weeks now and it has been holding up great, and the blades are still sharp and there hasn't been any sort of rusting or any other issues, so that is always good when you are dealing with a product like this. Next up, we do have the Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer, and this has a premium 9,000 RPM motor and a 360-degree rotary dual blade system, so it's super efficient at removing hair. It also has a cone tip that's gentle on your skin and it doesn't cause any nicks or cuts. Now this thing is actually a lifesaver for anyone who's really struggled with nose or ear hair. It's got a powerful battery that lasts up to 90 minutes, so you don't have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a trim. You also don't have to charge it after every single use. And of course, because it's rechargeable, you don't have to spend any money on additional batteries. Now overall, this product is something I'm super impressed with, and the performance is absolutely excellent. Now if you are looking for a grooming set that will keep the below the waist hair and sensitive nasal and ear hair trimmed and neat, the Perfect Duo 4.0 from Manscaped is definitely worth checking out. It's got a waterproof design, adjustable trimming guards, and rechargeable batteries, and it's a perfect solution for anyone really looking to upgrade their grooming routine. But that is pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again real soon.